Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Botrix Kick, only way. Place the Botrix Kick on a level surface near your router, plug in the cable, power it on, and press the pairing button for 5 seconds to enter setup mode. Open the Botrix app, tap Add Device, choose Kick, enter your Wi-Fi password, and wait for the confirmation chime before moving on to calibration and testing steps. Now set up your account and app preferences so the Kick integrates smoothly. Sign in or create a Botrix account, grant location and Bluetooth permissions, and make sure your phone is on the same network. Choose the 4 GHz Wi-Fi, enter the password, and confirm the device connects. Adjust basic settings like name and room, enable auto updates, and review quick tips in the app to finalize a reliable connection for daily use. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides for you. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control and smart mapping that keeps floors tidy while you focus on setup. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Complete calibration and run tests to ensure the Kick performs reliably in your space. Start the calibration routine, follow the guided sensor checks, and confirm motor responses look smooth. Place the device in the center of the target area, remove obstacles, and run a short test sweep while watching for odd noises or navigation hiccups. Make small placement tweaks as needed and rerun calibration until motion is accurate and predictable for daily use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.